how to take scratches out. See those fine scratches? Sometimes you'll find pretty deep ones. Sorry if my camera work isn't able to pick them up, but you can kind of see scratches. You see those scratches like this right here? All right, so here's what you do. You'll take some 1500 grit sandpaper, or even better yet, if it's a deeper scratch, some 1000 grit, okay? And then you'll just go over the scratch like this, see? This, with this sandpaper, until you don't see the scratch anymore. Now, with this scratch is a little bit too deep for 1500, but you get the idea, right? So you just sand it down. See the scratches right up here? Sand it down with 1500, you know, or 1000. You can even start with 600 and then go to 1000 and then go to 1500. But you see, the idea is you just go in circular motion until you have a nice piece of fresh sandpaper, you know, until it's you know, till the scratch has diminished considerably, right? You pull back. There you go. Fluffy clouds, fluffy clouds. All right, so now you've got kind of a bit of a scratched up mess. And what you do then is you bring in your FII9, put a little bit of that right on your scratch. Okay, see what I'm doing there? All right. And now you get in with a buffer. Now this is a Great Neck Orbital. See how the edging of it is? That's the one I have found that works best. And you just work that until the scratch goes away. Check the next video to see the update.